How to save ping output report in Notepad automatically. So if you want to save the ping output report in your Notepad automatically, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your command prompt, search CMD, and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and it will take you to the command prompt. And after that, select the drive or location where you would like to save the ping output. For example, I'll be selecting the E drive. Now here it says that it is in new volume E, which is the E drive. And what you need to do is just simply enter a command. So the command goes like ping space www.google.com space minus T space right arrow and then the drive name colon backslash the file name. For example, I have given the name as pingtest and after that enter .txt. Now you just need to simply go and hit the enter, and the txt file will be created on your E drive or on the drive that you've selected. Here you can see the ping test has been added. Now you can simply open the ping test folder. You can open it by Notepad or any other application. I'll be just choosing Notepad, and here you will have all of the information. So that's it. That's how you can save your ping output report in your Notepad automatically. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.